So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in VPN settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, make sure that you have no VPN connection currently active right now. If you do, then you're gonna turn it off. For the second step, you're gonna head over to search and type in proxy settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna do the same thing. Make sure that you have no proxy server enabled right now. So you're gonna click on setup, make sure you have this turned off, and then click on the other setup right here. Make sure you have this also turned off. For the next step, you're gonna head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on other troubleshooters. Now you're gonna find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the next step, you're gonna head over to Steam. Now you're gonna click on Steam in the top left. Now you're gonna click on check for Steam client updates. It's now gonna start checking for updates. Make sure your Steam is fully up to date. For the next step, you're gonna click on Steam in the top left. Now you're gonna click on settings. And then once you're on the Steam settings, you're gonna go to the downloads tab. Now it's gonna be saying download region. Make sure that your region is correct. If your region was already correct, then you could try to select a region that is closest to your current region right now. See if that works for you. Or you could just stay on your current region that you're on right now. And you also want to scroll down. It's going to be saying clear download cache. Next to it, you're going to click on clear cache. And you want to click on confirm. It's then going to sign you out of Steam and it's going to clear your download cache. And you then want to log back into Steam and then your problem should be fixed.